Dakota Cooper here, and I got my cousin Philip. Much different than your last intro. I got off of work earlier today, and so we thought about going on a little ride. I don't know which way you want to go. About terrifying, dude. Whew. No, I had it under control, but it was terrifying, that's for sure. ABS was kicking in so hard on my bike, it was shaking my bike. That's not going in the video, I'm just saying. No, we will be destroyed by everybody. You know, I'm gonna put this part in the video and they're gonna be like, what was it? What happened? I'm gonna be like, you ain't gonna find out. Yeah. Woo, dude. I wanna show you that footage, what I seen. Come on. I gotta oh. Oh my goodness.
What?
Yeah.
I had enough time to grab my brake and go, up.
No, I couldn't do that. It's funny now, but I'm just saying, I'm telling you, my adrenaline right now, my adrenaline is through the roof.
Oh, yeah, I bet it is.
I just don't know it, so I don't want to even go halfway. Whoa, look at my mirror. What in the world? Dude, it's loose. You know what I just realized? I got an Allen key under my seat. That fits this. Yeah. Yeah. I think there's a neighborhood right here on the right, or a church or something. Yeah. Dude, that was terrifying. I think we need to show your mom. The things that go through your head. Like, as it's happening.
Oh, I literally had enough time to go, I don't have time to stop. I literally had enough time to tap my brakes and go, I can't stop.
I was like pulling with both brakes.
You can't do that with this bike.
Too big. Not that one. I don't know if this one will either.
Oh, you got new clutch bars.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know you had these.
Apparently I don't have the right size. Yeah, I do too. 35 bucks. Hoo-wee. I hope that never happens again. I don't know of anybody that would say, oh, I would like to do that again. And the problem is you ain't getting to see what happened either. Huh, 199. That's a Sunoco too, or Sunoco. Sunoco. Alright guys, so we know that we didn't show the clip of what happened. But I'll tell you what, if you guys can get me 500 subscribers by May the 5th, Cinco de Mayo, we will drop the video on Instagram. Yeah, I'm going. Huh. When did they get that? Oh, I got low battery, dude. I got low battery. It's about to die. No, my headset. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Not yet, but it's close. Yeah, Best Buy does too. No, I thought it did. It was about to. Oh, that's what I was. It's saying low battery as I was waving at you. You want to go to Still. Okay, so you want to go to one of them? Did I lose you? Are you playing with me? The police. Hello, police-o. You want to do the target? You saw that? You saw that?
I saw you do that, so I thought the cop was
I'm telling you, dude. I'm sitting here talking to him and I keep forgetting my headset's dead, guys. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. We're going to run into Target and look for a GoPro for him. But maybe next time we'll have dual vlog footage for you guys. Hopefully. But anyways, I hope you guys had a great time.
I thought we were getting pulled over.
Why?
Turn his lights on.
Anyway. So we're gonna go in real quick and we'll hit you up in the next video. Thanks guys for watching. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys next video. Peace out.